Hello everyone, welcome to Canning Coffee. Here we have a baratza vario grinder. This grinder was brought here because it wasn't grinding properly, so we end up replacing the burrs. These are the older burrs over here. We also find a little bit of moisture inside the burrs, as you can see over here. So we pretty much deep clean everything inside. Deep clean the whole thing and replace the burrs as well. So now it's going up perfectly fine. We're in a really fine setting. You can still go a little more fine with this, but this is just perfect for this. This is just might be a little too fine for espresso, but yeah, it's working perfectly fine, grinding nice and smooth the way it should be. You can see how the grind changed already, and you can just go from really fine to really coarse as well. And that's all we did. We just replaced the grinders, they clean everything inside, and yeah. So thank you for preparing Canning Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content this every day, and thanks for watching.